Hey guys, Thomas here. Just want to do this quick video and show you that within maybe after market open at 10:30, now is near to 1 a.m. right? Roughly 2 hours plus. What is the kind of results that I get right for my trading right just for today. So let's jump right in and I'll show you. Hey guys, so we are at my screen right now, as you can see, right? But just before we jump into the account to show you, right? I just want to show you like at the market open at 10:30, right? Singapore time, US market opens, right? Singapore time 10:30 p.m. So I tell people that maybe of traders with me, the full-time traders with me, and I told them that I'm bullish for the day, right? Okay, and I told them I'm going to Bangkok and so on. But we got into Intel, right? Intel trade, but immediately I found something going on, right? Which I will show you in the chart later on. To take the sell, right? So I'm initially bullish, but when the markets behave differently, I act accordingly and started to sell the market, right? Using the futures market, right? S&P and or Nasdaq, right? Basically, this is a micro S&P or micro Nasdaq futures, right? Okay, and we closed off because we went in to buy on Intel. We decided to close on Intel for a very small profit because at market open it was actually surging a little bit and then we make the profit, right? Okay, but so let me show you what we did, right? Okay, so I took out the wrong thing, right? Okay, yeah, so let me show you what we did over here. Basically what we did here was that we traded a few stocks, right? We traded on SCHW, right? Schwartz, and we took a loss, right? It hit our stop loss and we took a loss. Earlier on I traded on gold futures and I took a very small loss as well, right? Like I say, Intel we took a very small profit, right? Traded on crude oil and make quite good money, right? Because crude oil is going up. But I want to show you how I saw the trade on the indices going down and then we traded it, right? Okay, so very quickly let me show you, right? Over here, basically initially I was bullish, right? Initially I was bullish mainly because the indices over here was bullish before market open, right? Before market open, but right after that, right, at about, you can see from this bar, right? You can see from this bar, this is the 9:30 Singapore time bar. There was a big red bar here, right? Okay, big red bar here, and it triggered the 4-hour time frame based on our TDW price action, right? It triggered our TDW 4-hour price action, bearish price action, right? So and because the 30 minutes started going up, right, I thought maybe it would just rebound, right? So initially at market open I said maybe we can just stay bullish, right? But here's the thing, over here 10:30 market started to open and you can see from here, right? You can see from here market open, right? Somewhere here at the 5-minute chart, right? Over here, market open here, right? Okay, and when market open here start immediately, like 15 minutes later, right? Roughly 15 minutes later, I found that there was a bearish action, price action based on our TW price action. There was a bearish price action on the 5-minute chart, right? So I was thinking, okay, let's just close our Intel buy trade since we still have a little bit of profits, right? Why not we just go short sell the indices, right? Okay, so you can see I shorted MBS, right? Micro S&P E-mini futures, right? And you can see since then, right, by selling somewhere around here, right, roughly around 10:45, took profit somewhere around here as well, right? And the profit you can see we got it at $617, right? Okay, so even if you are bullish on the day, but if price or the market tell you otherwise, you should react accordingly to the market, right? Because Mr. Market is always right. Okay, the Mr. Market doesn't care what you think or what is your bias is, whether you're bullish bias or bearish bias. The market, Mr. Market actually don't care, right? So always respect the market. If the market is telling you to sell, then go ahead and sell it down. Like in today's case, right? You can see almost all of my favorite stocks over here are going down, right? Okay, favorites as in I like to trade them, right? Okay, I don't really do long term on them, right? But whenever I want to trade very liquid stocks, these are the liquid stocks that I actually choose from to trade, right? Okay, so you can see all these are very popular stocks that people like to choose to trade, right? And it's no difference for me. And you can see all of them are in the red, right? Okay, so today's trade actually pretty okay, right? Even though I long swaps and took a small loss, right? I can still make a overall profit over here, right? You can see over here my realized profit is roughly $795, but of course I also closed a few options trade to make my tally realized trade realized profit, right, at $795, right? Okay, but overall my day trades, as you can see over here, all the bigger numbers, right, are overall today making a profit. Even though market is going down, I think it's still considered a good results, because a lot of people will day trade the market up and not do well, right? Okay, so I would say this is a pretty okay result or even good result for me, right? Okay, so that's all from me. I hope to see you again and share more about my results and also how I see the markets. Alright, if you are wondering, hey Thomas, you're talking about the TDW price action just now, where can I learn it? I actually have a free online training that I host every month, right? And you could actually join this free online training, right, where I show you how I use these strategies, the TDW price action, or all these TDW, basically the TDW strategy, to trade the markets, whether it's day trade or swing trade, right? Okay, you can go to the link around this video to sign up for it, right? That's all from me. See you soon.